Introduction to Progress Analytics in Lingodeer.
Lingodeer offers a detailed analytics dashboard designed to help you monitor your language learning journey. Understanding how to use these progress analytics can boost your motivation, reveal strengths and weaknesses, and guide your study plans. Let's explore how you can use these features to effectively track your language skills and achieve your learning goals.
Accessing your analytics dashboard.
To access Progress Analytics in Lingodeer, open the app and navigate to the Profile tab, or the Progress section. Here, you'll find a dashboard summarizing your overall progress, lesson completion rates, and study streaks. Regularly checking this area helps you stay aware of your habits and maintain consistency over time.
Understanding skill breakdown and lesson mastery.
Lingodeer's analytics break down your progress by language skills, such as vocabulary, grammar, listening, and reading. Each category shows your mastery level, often represented with bars or percentages. By reviewing these details, you can identify which skills you excel at and which may need more practice, allowing for more focused, effective studying.
Using quiz and review analytics.
Quizzes and review sessions help reinforce new information. Lingodeer tracks your quiz results, highlighting questions you answered incorrectly or found challenging. Reviewing these analytics not only reminds you which topics to revisit, but also shows your improvement over time, making it easier to measure real progress in each language area.
Setting goals and interpreting trends.
With analytics, you can set specific learning goals, like completing a certain number of lessons each week or maintaining a daily streak. Lingodeer's dashboards show trends in your study habits, making it easy to spot patterns, such as increased productivity or missed days. Regular reflection and adjustments based on these insights can greatly enhance your language learning.
Maximizing your progress with analytics.
Using Lingodeer's analytics tools empowers you to take charge of your language learning. By regularly checking your dashboard and responding to the insights it provides, you can efficiently target your efforts, overcome challenges, and celebrate milestones. Embrace these features to make your self-assessment more accurate and your progress more rewarding.